Hello everyone, my name is Aykhar Khindralao, I'm CEO at ICVR.
My name is Chris Switek, I'm the Chief of Product at ICVR.
Here we want to show you how we're using open source AI tools in our art production pipeline for 3D character creation. And our goals were to maximize creative control on each step and to visualize quickly as possible to leave more room for iteration. And our overall time saving was about 80% on each character.
And we'll run you through the whole process here in this video. We'll start with our artist concepting and mood boarding, and then on to our rough block out previs asset that can be used in Engine, and lastly to our final production ready 3D asset. We start by using Stable Diffusion text to image to create mood board style concept inspirations for artists. And like making a traditional mood board, we use AI in this step basically as a style reference search engine. And here are some of our mood board selects to be used as artist inspiration. And from that, here is our final character concept, hand drawn by an artist using our mood board images as a reference. Next, we use Dreamcraft 3D to generate a 3D model based on our character concept. We launched this virtually with GCP. We tested a large amount of open source 3D generation tools, and we like Dreamcraft 3D the best. In Dreamcraft, we use Nerf technology to generate a geometric point cloud, and Neuse to generate a mesh from that point cloud. Then the geometry and textures are refined. Then we return to Stable Diffusion using ControlNet with an artist's sketch of a turnaround as a template to generate textures with variations for different outfits. And from that, we have our textures and we're ready to apply to the 3D model. Before that though, we use the image output as a reference to retopologize and clean up our geometry by hand. Then we take it into ZBrush to clean it up a little further. And finally, we go into Substance to project the textures onto the model and clean them up as well. We now have a rough version of the asset that can be used in Engine for previs, prototyping, or even just as a placeholder to get a sense of look and feel. After this is approved, we can move on to final hand modeling in Maya to make the asset game engine ready. We create our final geometry and topology to prepare for rigging and skinning, using our blockout asset as a reference. And here is our final character asset ready to be used in production.
These tools are accessible by anyone, and you can integrate them into your pipeline and workflow automations like we do. And if you have any questions, please feel free reaching out, and we'll be recording more videos about AI workflows.
Thanks everyone.